Hi friends, hope you are safe and sound. Today I will show you how to fix if screen recording in Camtasia is not working. For that you have to follow a few easy steps. And you do not need to uninstall or reinstall it again. First of all, I will open Camtasia to show you that recording is not working here. As you can see that I am pressing the record button again and again and it's not working. So how to fix it? First of all, right click on Camtasia and then open File Location. It will take you to the folder where Camtasia is installed. Now here right click Cam Recorder and go to its properties. Here select Compatibility and then click Change Setting for all users. Check this box and press OK button. Now you are able to record with Camtasia. Let's check it if it is working or not. As you can see that Camtasia Recorder is working now. Just click the red icon and it will start screen recording. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this trick. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and for more useful updates, subscribe my channel. Also, if you want to see me cover any other topics on this channel, leave a comment below. See you in next video, bye.